Alrighty, looks like Mike and Johnny decided to go out sailing. Well, our first job was to do some scraping underneath the bottom of the boat. So even though these pictures all show Mike, the dude did a little bit of work himself. Once we finished all the scraping on the boat, it was time to head out into the sun under motor for a little while, and then the sail came up. Yeah. Big eagle. Look at that. Oh, I just landed on the top of the tree up there. It's kind of hidden now, but
back, pretty much right back to the peak of that mountain on land between those islands.
that's between the two. Gotcha. Okay, that's where we came out, right?
Right to that. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to let this sail off. I'm going to take up on this little running back stand. I'm going to ease up on this running back stand. I'm going to pull the sail in on
So it'll pull over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything else, the mainsail should look after itself because it's a centered here. It'll be about how it is on the other side, and then once we're on the other tack, we'll figure it out.
And from my end, I just turn, and you just
turn the boat and aim right for the.
Gotcha. Okay.
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 Now, you might want to fall off a little bit first. Okay. Like head over here. Okay. First, just like we're almost head to wind right now.
Yeah.
And we're going to be going too slow.
Gotcha.
To actually
So we want to pick up the speed, and then
we need to go a little bit faster, or else we're not going to have enough momentum to cross the wind.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yeah.
Are you ready?
All ready.
Are you ready?
I was ready.
Okay. So let me this one for now. Okay. Let's make the turn.
All right.
You want to head up right there? To this one a little bit.
After tacking the boat and heading back to the marina, I thought I'd take a little wander along the deck. A couple more video shots. All right. Glorious day. Captain Mike at the helm. So how's this day going, Mike?
Perfect.
Glorious. Absolutely glorious.
A bunch of work on the boat, got it all nice and clean. through the water. Very
Nice and smooth.
smoothly.
We only had to kill, what, a half a dozen families of mussels, and but now they're free, right? They're free to explore the dock, the marina.
Bottom.
There we go. Wow! Still slicker than crap through a goose.
Was that very close?
6 inches. But you know, when we were about 2 feet away, I could see we were going to come close but not hit it. Otherwise, I would have moved out front. But it was very close. An absolutely awesome day sailing with Mike on the first act. Bit of hull cleaning, bit of sailing, bit of jaw wagging, bit of just chilling. Absolutely grand.